Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix your Whirlpool dryer not heating in 2026. So before assuming that there is a hardware failure, you need to first of all check that your dryer is not set to air fluff or cool down or low heat or eco dry mode. So you need to select a high heat cycle and test it again. If the dryer begins heating normally, it means that the issue was incorrect cycle settings rather than a mechanical fault. But if in your case the issue still persists even after doing this, or this particular point is checked in your case and still you are facing this error, the second thing that you need to do is to simply check for the power supply carefully. The electric Whirlpool dryers require 240 watts, so sometimes the dryer drum spins normally on the partial power, but the heating elements will not activate. So in this case, you just have to inspect the circuit breakers, wall outlet power and power cord connections. You need to also reset the breakers if it is necessary. If the power is restored, heating may return immediately. Now, sometimes restricted airflow is one of the most common heating problems. So you need to simply clean the lint screens, exhausting hose or exterior vent. The heavy lint buildup can overheat the dryer and then trigger the safety shutdowns. If airflow improves, the heating performance may fully recover. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.